guys, it's me Alex here today. This is not a squishy. And today I'm going to do Kiss, Marry, Kill with squishies. I know it's a little bit blurry, that's just because I dropped my phone and it's cracked right on the thing that you can take a video with, so it's annoying, but that's okay. So yeah, so I have my whole bin of squishies here. Yeah. So I'm just going to be Kiss, Marry, Kill. If people usually do this with people, they'll pick 3 random people and go, I'll kiss this person, kill that person, and marry this person. But we're going to do it with squishies, so I'm just going to pick 3 random squishies. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, I got this pink ice cream. Pink and yellow ice cream. It's not very soft, is it? Okay, I got this really bad, like, unicorn thing. And then this really bad cupcake. So I will kill this. It's like really bad. Yes, kiss this and marry this. Okay, let's next one. At this melon bun. This hamster. And this French fries I decorated. Okay. Going to kill this French fries. Kiss the melon bun. And marry this weird hamster. Idea's bad. Okay. Oh my god, I'm getting so many text messages. No. Sorry. There's like this stupid group chat. Okay. Let's do another round. Okay, I got this penguin. This half-done burger. And this Cafe Dien Sweetaholic. I don't know what it's called. But this Cafe Dien pastry. I love this pastry. I got this in a recent $30 grab bag. I think that video is up. Should be up. But let me just try to open this. Here's the tag. Cafe Dien. It has a little heart in the back that I thought was so cute. So, yeah, this is super squishy. Okay. I'm going to kill this thingy. Kiss the penguin and marry the little Cafe Dien pastry. Okay. Ooh, I got this popcorn. This was like my first, keep on dropping it, first like bigger squishy from like the mall. I don't know why I just said that, but I got this yummy coffee mermaid that I love so much. I'm not going to take this out of the packaging, but it smells so, I can smell it through it. It smells so delicious. It's like the best smell ever. And then, ooh, I got this rainbow, very defected rainbow strawberry. Okay. I'm going to, this is a hard one. I think I'm gonna kill the rainbow strawberry, kiss the popcorn, and marry my little yummy coffee mermaid. I love this thing. Oh, I thought I was just grabbing random packaging. I got this angel tooth. Sorry, that was like, can't get this. I'm not opening it because I actually can't open it right now, but it smells exactly like mint. Smell it through the packaging. It smells so much like mint. It's insane. But yeah. Okay. I got this ring. Actually pretty squishy for how thin it is. It's really bad decorated cat, I guess. You kill the cat, kiss the ring, and marry my little tooth, an angel tooth. Okay. So I'm gonna do 2 more rounds. Okay, I got this rainbow koala. I grabbed, oh, okay. This really bad something toast, like peanut butter and jelly toast. And I love this one. This giant bear, I guess. Love this squishy. Okay, going to kill this thing. Kiss the rainbow koala and marry this big bear. I literally love. Okay. Got this bagel that my friend drew a face on, but I got this cat in a cup. And this decorated little, I guess you could say like melon bun. It was like, it had like a weird face on it, so I decorated it. I know it has some pieces on it, but yeah, so I decorated this one. Okay, definitely going to kill the bagel, kiss this thing, so blue melon bun, I guess, and marry the cat in the cup. Okay. Last round. Got this blue cupcake. Actually, I'm gonna do 1 more round after this one. Ooh. I got this Kawaii Fresh, well, Kid Creative, but I call it Kawaii Fresh toothpaste. And then I'll show you licensing. It says Kid Creative. Oh, this just says Nick on the bottom for the licensing, but yeah. I love this squishy. Ooh, wait. No, hold on. I'm looking for something real quick. Okay. I can't seem to find it, but I got this bunny with no ears. I have the 2 ears, but I don't know where. Ooh, and then this cappuccino. This thing is so squishy. I got this at a local fair the other day, and it is amazing. Like, they had a slime and squishy thing. Oh yeah, I got this tub of slime there too. Put it over there. So yeah. Okay. I'm going to kill this thing. This is a hard one. These both I got really recent. I think I'm going to kiss this and yeah, marry this because this is. You know what it smells like? It doesn't really have a smell, but it's this one. Oh my god, this one smells really good. It smells like perfume. But this like doesn't really have a smell. That smells kind of weird actually. So now last round. Ooh, I got this mini Fluff Hedgehog Galaxy. I love this because it's just like a zip-up thing. This is so airy. Okay. I got this pink cupcake. And this Galaxy ice cream. Oh, this is a hard decision. Okay. I'm going to kill this guy, this Galaxy. Going to kiss Cupcake and marry my little fluff hamster. This thing is so squishy and airy. Okay, that's it for my video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of me and my squishies and my weird videos. Go put the notifications on, and yeah, kind of wish I got this one for one. But yeah, bye guys.